I have stacked up all the cutleries and the utensils in the upper rack, cups and bowls on the top rack, chopsticks on this rack, and bigger pots and cutleries in this basket, all stacked up. I have to wipe clean every plate and do a little bit of rinse before putting in the dishwasher, because if it's not totally clean, it will choke up the drainage at the bottom here. After a while, there'll be a lot of chokes occurring, so therefore you need to have a clean, rather clean cutleries inside there. You need not remove the oil, but just remove the debris, the big chunks of food. As you can see here, there is a compartment where you need to put in the dishwasher tablets. Remove the wrapper and put the tablet in. So I'll do this now.